Sutra of the Garland of a Bodhisattva's Primary Karmas, translated from Sanskrit into Chinese in the Later Qin Dynasty by the Sramana Zhu Fonian from China. Fascicle 1 of 2. Chapter 1, The Assembly. Thus have I heard. At one time, the Buddha revisited the Bodhimanda in the kingdom of Magadha, where he had attained perfect enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. As he had done then, he sat down there. As he had emitted bright Buddha light then, he emitted 42 beams of light. As his adornment, each beam was a garland of the radiance of his 1,000,000 asamkhya merits, shining everywhere in the Dharma realm, as if through the open sky. Delighting in the ever-abiding Dharma nature, with boundless spirit, taking limitless great actions, the Dharma King, master of Dharmas, served as the parent of all sentient beings. He sat on a lotus flower-born lion throne, naturally adorned with hundreds of thousands of jewels, like the thrones on which all past Buddhas had sat. His appearance as sublime as his virtue, he achieved purity in body, voice, and mind, and completed meritorious deeds. His radiance penetrated the Vajra store and endlessly illuminated the human world. Unhindered by past, present, and future, he transformed all, delivering sentient beings equally. His perfect enlightenment equaled that of all other Buddhas. At that time, the Bodhisattvas in this huge assembly were all on the 11th ground, in the holy position of waiting to attain Buddhahood in their next life. As their Dharma bodies were boundless, they demonstrated their transcendental powers everywhere in worlds in the 10 directions. They guided and benefited sentient beings by opening the store of the Buddha Dharma and revealing to them their Buddha nature. They instilled in them the essential teachings on nirvana, the wondrous fruit beyond causality, and used their past life knowledge to transform them. As their minds were boundless, they understood everything, internal and external, from beginning to end. Without differentiating between Buddha lands, with voices of great compassion, they praised the unexcelled names of Buddhas.